Okay, continuation of the last video. Fourth question, first one we'll discuss, second one that is same it is method that you try this, and come to third one, x power m by y power it is n minus x power y power n by x power n that is equal to 2y into sin m alpha minus n it is beta. We want to prove this statement. Already we obtained the value of it is x and y, x equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, y equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. Now first to find out as it is x power it is m. X power it is m that is equal to x equal to cos it is alpha plus it is I into sin it is alpha, it is x value whole power it is m. By applying of it is theorem to bring the power to multiply to it is argument. Therefore it is cos it is m it is alpha plus I into sin it is m it is alpha, it is called x power it is m value. And similarly it is y power it is m that is equal to cos it is beta plus I into sin it is beta, it is whole power it is n that is equal to cos it is n beta plus it is I into sin it is n it is beta. It is called it is y value. Now just find out as it is the term x power it is m by it is y power n that is equal to x power it is m into y power it is n whole power it is minus 1. Just bring the numerator. The term bring to numerator that is equal to x power it is m. X power m value we know that is equal to what it is cos it is m it is alpha plus it is I into sin it is m it is alpha, it is called cos m x power it is m. Then y power n that is equal to cos it is m it is beta plus it is I into sin it is m it is beta. Sorry, it is n beta. So now whole power it is minus 1 remaining. Just it is multiply the minus 1 inside the bracket, and first term it is as it is cos it is minus n it is beta plus it is I into sin it is minus it is n it is beta. And this term left remaining term that is equal to cos of it is m it is alpha plus it is I into sin it is m it is alpha, and two complex numbers are in the product, just adding of it is the argument. Therefore it is cos of it is argument as called it is m it is alpha, argument as called here it is minus n it is beta plus it is I into sin of it is m it is alpha minus it is n it is beta. That is x power it is m by y power it is n value. Now similarly find out another it is term is called y power it is n by it is x power it is m, that is equal to 1 by x power it is m by y power it is n. Transferred to the y power n as a numerator, denominator again denominator form. It is totally it is term of the denominator transferred to numerator, x power it is m by it is y power it is n whole power it is minus it is 1. And that is equal to, we know this term, it is called it is cos of it is m it is alpha minus it is n it is beta plus it is I into sin of it is m it is alpha minus it is n it is beta, then whole power it is minus it is 1. Just it is minus 1 multiply this term that is equal to cos of it is m alpha minus n it is beta, and minus become plus become minus it is I into it is sin of it is m it is alpha minus n it is beta. That is a term of it is y power it is n by it is x power it is m. Now just we want to separating of it is two term, separating of these two term, that is called what is x power it is m by y power it is n minus y power it is n by it is x power m, that is equal to, if you separating a term, this first term minus of this term it is minus what first term minus it is this second term. Therefore first term is called this one, and minus of this second term it is minus into plus it is minus, therefore the two cos are it is cancelled, and minus into minus plus, therefore plus it is I into sin it is this term, and plus it I into, therefore we can write that is equal to 2 time of it is I into sin of it is m it is alpha minus n it is beta, and that is finally the simplification of this it is 1. Okay, see the next example. Example number 2.30. Simplify the expression 1 plus cos 2 theta plus I into sin it is 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta minus I into sin theta whole power sin 2 theta whole power it is 30. Find it is value. So now let us consider it is z that is equal to this it is term it is cos it is 2 theta plus it is I into sin it is 2 theta, we can take that is equal to z. Then it is z bar that is equal to what? Every complex number have corresponding conjugate is pair. Therefore, it is cos it is 2 theta minus I into it is sin it is 2 theta. So now we want to find out as it is modulus of z that is equal to modulus of it is cos it is 2 theta plus it is I into sin it is 2 it is theta. That is equal to square root of it is real term is called cos 2 theta. Therefore, it is cos square it is 2 it is theta is called theta plus it is sin square it is 2 theta. Here theta equal to 2 theta. That is equal to square root of it is cos square it is theta plus sin square theta. Theta equal to 2 theta. Therefore, any theta value cos square plus sin square value is equal to 1. Therefore, it is 1. Therefore, modulus of z that is equal to 1. So now we know it is modulus of z that is equal to it is 1. Take a square on both sides. Modulus of z square that is equal to it is 1 square that is equal to 1. We apply formula of it is z into z bar equal to modulus of z square. Now z square we can write z into z bar. Therefore, z into z bar. Therefore, z bar that is equal to 1 by z. Z bar that is equal to 1 by z. That we now we apply. So now what is given? What we want to find? 1 plus cos 2 theta plus it is I into sin it is 2 theta by 1 plus it is cos 2 theta minus I into sin it is 2 theta whole power it is 30, and that is equal to 1 plus this total term defined by it is z. Therefore, 1 plus z by 1 plus this term defined by it is what? Z bar. This term defined by z bar. Therefore, z bar whole power it is 30. Now, so z bar is equal to what? 1 by z. So in this term that is equal to 1 plus z by it is 1 plus z bar equal to 1 by z whole power it is 30. Now take common denominator 1 plus z by z plus it is 1, z plus it is 1 by z whole power it is 30. Therefore, these two terms are cancelled. Z goes to numerator, that is equal to z power it is 30. Now that is equal, what is z? It is called cos it is 2 it is theta plus I into sin it is 2 theta whole power it is 30. So now that is equal to bring the it is power it is n to bring the inside the bracket to multiply with the argument. Therefore, argument what here? It is 2 theta. Therefore, cos into 2 into 30 it is called 60 it is theta plus I into sin it is 60 it is theta, and that is called it is final solution of it is a given expression. The same it is method, another one it is exercise problem, it is 2.8, third one, find the value of the expression. So again it will consider this it is term, that is again it is considered as equal to z. Therefore, let it is z that is equal to sin it is pi by it is 10 plus it is I into cos it is pi by it is 10. Take it as. So what is the z bar? Conjugate of the complex number equal to sin it is pi by it is 10 minus I into cos it is pi by it is 10 is called it is conjugate value bar, it is called conjugate. Now, so now take a given it is equation already we know, therefore again we can take it is modulus of z, that automatically it became it is 1 because it is real term equal to sin it is theta and imaginary term equal to cos theta value equal to pi by 4, therefore sin square plus cos square value equal to 1. Therefore, again we will get modulus of z equal to it is 1. Therefore, z into z bar equal to 1. Therefore, z bar equal to 1 by z. So, same it is argument applied here. Therefore, the given it is given question it is 1 plus sin it is pi by it is 10 plus it is I into cos it is pi by it is 10 by it is 1 plus sin it is pi by it is 10 and minus I into cos pi by it is 10 whole power it is 10 is given. Now that is equal to 1 plus it is this total term defined by z by it is 1 plus z bar whole power it is 10. That is equal to 1 plus z by 1 plus z bar equal to 1 by z whole power it is 10. That is equal to 1 plus z and transferred term it is z plus it is 1, z plus it is 1 by z whole power it is 10. Both are it is cancelled and z come numerator, z power it is 10. That is equal to what is z? Z is called sin it is pi by it is 10 plus I into cos it is pi by it is 10 is called z whole power it is 10. So this it is last term In the form of it is sin it is theta plus it is I into it is cos it is theta. We can write it as it is I into cos it is theta minus I into it is sin theta. So sin theta plus I cos theta, it is standard form of polar form equal to cos theta plus I into it is sin theta is called standard form. So here sin theta plus I cos theta form is there. Therefore we want to convert as it is I into cos theta minus I into sin theta. Therefore it is in this it is given last term in this form. So applying of it is 1, it is I into cos it is theta, here it is pi by it is 10. So applying of this it is formula for this equation. Therefore that is equal to I into cos of it is pi by it is 10 minus I into sin of sin pi by it is 10 whole power it is 10. Sin theta plus I cos theta, that is equal to I into cos theta minus I into sin theta form, theta equal to pi by it is 10. Now bring the power 10, bring into the bracket, that is equal to I power it is 10 within the bracket cos it is pi by it is 10 minus I into sin it is pi by it is 10 whole power it is 10. Now again applying of theorem to bring the power into the bracket, that is equal to I power it is 10, we can write what? I power it is 4 whole power it is 2. Multiply it is 8, again we have 2 is remaining, so I power it is 2 into it is cos it is pi, that is called 10 it is pi, 10 pi by it is 10, 10 pi by 10 minus I into sin it is 10 pi by it is 10 to bring the power into the bracket, that is equal to I power it is 4, that is equal to 1, already we know. Therefore 1 power it is 2 into I square value is equal to minus 1, it is minus it is 1 into 10 are cancelled, it is cos it is pi minus I into it is sin it is pi. Therefore we have here it is cos it is pi, that is equal to minus it is 1, sin it is pi, that is equal to 0. Cos pi value equal it is minus 1, sin pi equal to 0. Therefore it is equal to 1 square is called 1, it is minus 1 outside remaining, and here it is cos pi equal to minus 1 minus I into sin pi equal to 0. That is equal to minus 1 in outside, it is minus 1 in the remaining within the bracket. Therefore minus minus plus it is 1. Therefore final value of the given expression equal to 1. Okay, come next one. Example number it is 2.31. Simplify the expression first one. 1 plus I whole power it is 18. So we have another subdivision also that you try as homework. So first this one. So let us consider it is z that is equal to 1 plus it is I, and that is equal to, right as it is, that is equal to polar form equal to r into it is cos it is theta plus I into it is sin it is theta polar form. Now find out first it is r that is called what? It is modulus of z. Find out as r value, that is equal to modulus of z, that is equal to modulus of 1 plus it is I, that is equal to square root of real term equal to 1 square and coefficient of imaginary term equal to 1 square, that is equal to square root of it is 1 plus it is 1, that is equal to root 2, that is called it is r value. So r that is equal to it is 2. Then find out as it is theta value, here it is applying of theta, and theta it is called what? It is z, that is equal to 1 plus it is I, and that is equal to 1 comma it is 1, therefore it is point it is z, it is 1 comma 1, it is p is a coin, 1 comma 1 lies on it is first quadrant, therefore theta that is equal to alpha. Therefore it is theta, it is lie in it is first it is quadrant, therefore it is theta that is equal to alpha. Therefore here alpha that is equal to what? Tan it is inverse of it is modulus of y by it is modulus of x. To find out as it is alpha equal to tan inverse of modulus of y by modulus of x. That is equal to what is it is y value? X plus it is I into y. Y value equal to 1 here. Therefore it is tan it is inverse of it is 1 by it is 1, that is equal to tan it is inverse of it is 1. And what value of it is tan that is equal to 1? Tan it is 45 degree. Therefore that is equal to it is tan it is inverse of it is tan it is pi by it is 4 is called 45 degree. Both tans are it is cancelled. Pi by 4 is called it is alpha. Therefore what is called it is theta. Theta that is equal to alpha. Alpha equal to pi by it is 4, that is called it is theta value. So now we know the polar form of complex number. 1 plus it is I, that is equal to r into it is cos it is theta plus I into it is sin theta is called polar form. That is equal to, we know r value equal to it is root 2 into cos of it is theta value equal to pi by it is 4 plus it is I into sin it is pi by it is 4 is called it is polar form. Therefore it is complex number, convert into polar form first. Now what we want to do? we want to find out as 1 plus it is I whole power it is 18. So we want to raise the power, raising the power as 1 plus I whole power it is 18. 1 plus it is I whole power it is 18, that is equal to root 2 into it is cos it is pi by it is 4 plus it is I into sin pi by it is 4 whole power it is 18. So just bring the power inside the bracket, it is root of it, root 2 whole power it is 18 into it is cos it is pi by it is 4 plus it is I into sin pi by it is 4 whole power it is 18. That is equal to root 2 we can write as what? Root it is 2 whole power it is 18. We can write 2 power it is 1 by 2 is called it is root. Power it is 18. So cancel it is 9. Therefore it is 2 power it is 9 that is remaining. Therefore it is 2 power it is 9 into within the bracket of just bring the it is 18 as power into the bracket, multiply it to argument. Therefore cos 18 it is pi by it is 4 plus it is I into sin it is 18 pi by it is 4 and cancel the value, it is 2 time, it is 9 time, it is 2 time, it is 9 time. Therefore it is equal to it is 2 power it is 9 into it is cos 9 pi by it is 2 plus it is I into sin it is 9 it is pi by it is 2. So now we have to convert it is 9 pi by 2. See just what is the value of it is 9 pi by 2. 9 it is pi by it is 2 is equal to 9 into 180 by it is 2, cancel it is 90. That is equal to it is 810. It is does not lies in the interval of it is open bracket of pi, comma it is plus it is pi, it is closed bracket. It is called what? Principal it is argument. For any it is theta value, that theta value must be in this principal it is argument. It is minus pi, minus it is pi, minus pi less than it is theta less than or equal to plus pi. Open bracket of it is pi is called not included. Closed bracket is called included. So the theta must be in the interval it is minus pi, comma it is plus pi, it is closed bracket. But it is our theta it is not lies in the interval. Therefore we convert 9 pi by 2 as what? That is equal to 2 power it is 9 into it is cos it is 4 pi plus it is pi by it is 2. So just multiply 2 4s are it is 8 plus 1 it is 9 plus it is I into it is similarly it is sin of it is 4 it is pi plus it is pi by it is 2. Understand? So now we have to calculating of this term, in this term. So what it is we have to calculating of it is, so starting from it is origin, it is one rotation is called it is 2 pi. Another rotation is called it is 4 pi. So again it is sum of the 90 degree. So therefore it may be in the lies in the first it is quadrant. In this quadrant theta lies on the quadrant, therefore theta is equal to alpha. Theta equal to alpha. Therefore it is supplementary angle 2 power it is 9 into supplementary angle cos becomes same it is cos and then for theta value equal to 90 degree it is called pi by it is 2 plus it is I into again supplementary angle sin becomes same it is sin and theta equal to it is pi by it is 2 and that is equal to 2 power it is 9 within the bracket of cos 90 equal to what? 0. Cos 90 equal to 0 plus I into sin 90 equal to 1. Cos 90 equal to 0, sin 90 equal to 1. Therefore, that is equal to 2 power it is 9 into within the bracket I and that is equal to 500 it is 12. 2 power it is 9. 2 is multiplied by it is 9 times. We get it is 512 into it is I. It is purely it is imaginary. Purely it is imaginary. Come to the exercise problem. It is second one. Show that root 3 by 2 plus I by it is 2 whole power 5 plus it is root 3 by 2 minus I by it is I by 5 whole power 5 that is equal to minus it is root 3 we want to prove. So now first of all it is considered a first term. Let us consider it as z that is equal to it is root 3 by 2 plus it is I by it is 2. Convert a polar form that is equal to r into cos it is theta plus it is I into it is sin it is theta is called polar form. Now first of all find out as modulus value because it is r is equal to modulus of z. Modulus of it is z that is equal to modulus of it is root 3 by it is 2 plus it is I by it is 2 that is equal to square root of real term equal to root 3 by it is 2. Root 3 by it is 2 it is real term it is whole square and plus imaginary term equal to 1 by 2 1 by it is 2 it is whole square and that is equal to square root of it is square the term root 3 into root 3 and 2 2 sorry it is 4 plus it is 1 by it is 4 that is equal to square root of 4 as it is numerator 4 by it is 4 that is equal to 1. Therefore, it is r value equal to it is 1. Now find out as it is next it is argument it is theta. Now again it is z that is equal to root 3 by it is 2 plus it is I into 1 by it is 2. Here it is x that is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2 and y equal 1 by 2. Therefore, x and y are it is both are positive. Therefore, it is point is P it is lies in the first quadrant. Therefore, theta equal to alpha. Therefore, it is find out as therefore it is theta it is lie in it is first it is quadrant. Therefore, it is theta equal to alpha. Theta equal to alpha. Therefore, alpha equal to what? Tan it is inverse of modulus of it is y by modulus of it is x. That is equal to tan it is inverse of modulus of it is y. Y value equal to 1 by 2. 1 by it is 2 by x value equal to it is root 3 by it is 2 and 2 2 are it is cancel. It is tan it is inverse of it is 1 by it is root 3 remaining. What value of it is tan it is 1 by it is root 3? Tan it is 30 degree. That is equal to tan it is inverse of it is tan it is pi by it is 6 it is called 30. Both the tans are cancelled. It is pi by 6 is called alpha it is value. Therefore it is theta is equal to alpha. Alpha is called it is pi by it is 6 that is called it is theta value. Now what is the polar form? It is root 3 by it is 2 plus it is I into 1 by 2 that is equal to r value equal to 1 into it is cos of it is theta value equal to pi by it is 6 plus I into sin it is pi by it is 6. Therefore, it is equal to cos pi by it is 6 plus it is I into sin it is pi by it is 6. Pi by it is 6 that is called it is root 3 by 2 plus it is I by it is 2 value. So, what we want to do next? We want to raise the power equal to 5. So, raise the power equal to 5 root 3 by it is 2 plus it is I by it is 2 whole power it is 5 that is equal to just it is raise the power equal to 5. Just power it bringing into the inside the bracket and it became it is what? It is equal to it is cos 5 pi by it is 6 plus it is I into sin it is 5 pi by it is 6. So again it is same it is argument and it is cos it is 5 pi by it is 6 that is equal to cos of it is 5 into 180 by it is 6 cancel it is 30 and that is equal to sin cos it is 150 and it is lies between of it is open bracket of minus pi 2 it is plus it is pi close bracket. Therefore, it is what is said the first term it is this one. Now what is similarly second term equal to root 3 by it is 2 minus it is I by it is 2 whole power it is 5. For this comparing of it is root 3 by 2 plus I by it is 2 and root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 comparing of these two it is bracket term only differ by it is I. Therefore, you can replace as a plus I as a minus I. Therefore, it is cos it is 5 pi by it is 6 minus I into sin it is 5 pi by it is 6 the value of the second term. So, what do we want to do? Just it is adding of this two it is term, adding of two term. We can call this it is term is called 1 and call this term is called 2. So, 1 plus it is 2. Just adding the term. If you adding the term it is what? And my plus term minus term both are it is cancel and we have terms are remaining. It is 2 time of it is cos of it is 5 it is pi by it is 6. Therefore, that is equal to 2 time of it is and this term defined by it is what? It is cos. Find out the value of it is cos 5 pi by 6. Cos 5 pi by 6 that is equal to cos 15 that is equal to cos it is 1 and it is 80 minus it is 30. That is called what? It is cos it is pi is called it is 180 minus it is theta lies in which quadrant? It is second quadrant. Second quadrant is cos value equal to minus and that is equal to minus then it is supplementary angle cos becomes same it is cos it is theta that is value. Therefore, it is cos pi minus theta equal to minus it is cos theta. Therefore, it is supplementary angle and second quadrant it is cos is minus. Therefore, it is cos theta value equal to 30 that is equal to minus cos 30 equal to root 3 by it is 2. Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, just we want to replace a term it is 2e into, within the bracket this term equal to minus root 3 by it is 2. 2 to r cancel, minus it is root 3. That we want to prove. The next it is topic, find it is nth root of it is complex number. Now let us consider it is omega is called it is nth root of it is complex number z. That means it is omega power n that is equal to z. Omega power n is called it is what? It is n degree of the polynomial is equal to degree of the polynomial is equal to n, and that is equal equating to it is complex number. Just it is removing it is n, that is omega power it is n, whole power it is 1 by it is n, that is equal to z power it is whole power it is 1 by n. So n are cancel, omega that is equal to z power it is 1 by n. So omega is called it is omega is called nth root of, that means it is nth root of it is z, nth root of it is z. So omega is called nth root of z, we want to find. And find first of all applying of it is a complex number in the polar form, that is equal to r into it is cos it is theta plus it is I into it is sin it is theta. It is called polar form, it is whole power it is 1 by n. And we know it is z equal to polar form equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta, and whole power it is 1 by n is as it is. Now just it is bring the power it is 1 by it is n inside the bracket, that is equal to r power it is 1 by n, within the bracket of it is cos it is theta plus I into sin it is theta, whole power it is 1 by it is n remaining. Now that is equal to, we can write as it is nth root of it is r, and that within the bracket of just bring the it is power inside the bracket, and before bringing the power what we want to do, adding it is 2k it is pi to it is argument, 2k pi it is power it is adding to it is argument, that is important one. So adding it is 2k pi to the argument. What is the argument here? It is theta. Therefore cos of it is 2k it is pi plus it is theta plus it is I into sin of it is 2k it is pi plus it is theta, and whole power it is 1 by it is n is remaining. And convert it is given it is complex number in the polar form, and bring it is power it is in the separating of it is r term, and the polar form it is cos theta plus sin theta whole power 1 by n. And after that it is before bringing the power, just be adding off it is 2k pi to the argument. What is the argument here? It is theta. So therefore it is cos of argument is called theta, it is added as 2k pi plus theta plus I into sin of 2k pi plus it is theta, and whole power it is n as it is. Now that is equal to nth root of it is r into, now bring the power inside the bracket by it is a property, therefore it is cos of it is 2k it is pi plus it is theta by it is n. So just it is multiply the power into argument, it is 1 by n plus it is I into sin of it is 2 it is k it is pi plus it is theta by it is n, and here it is k takes value equal to 0, 1, 2 etc. up to it is n minus it is 1. That is called what it is supposed to be. You can consider a number is called it is 5 and divided by it is 3, and what is the remainder will become it is 1 time it is 3, remainder is 2, and it is again supposed to be 4 is divided by it is 3, 1 time it is 3, remainder equal to it is 1, and 3 by it is 3 divided by it is 3, 1 time it is 3, remainder equal to 0, and then it is so therefore it is remainders are will come as 0, 1 it is 2. Therefore if a divisor equal to 3, the remainders are defined by it is 0, 1 it is 2. Therefore here it is divisor is called it is what it is n, the remainder is called 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore here remainder divisor is called it is n, and the remainder should be it is less than of it is n. Therefore k takes value 0, 1, 2 etc. n is called it is next term, n minus 1 is called previous term. Therefore n can take it is 0 to it is n minus it is 1, and this called it is general form of it is omega that is called what? That is equal to z power it is 1 by n. Z power it is 1 by n, that is equal to nth root of it is r into cos it is 2k pi plus it is theta by it is n plus I into sin 2k pi plus it is theta by n, and k takes value 0, 1, 2 etc. up to it is n minus 1. It is general form of it is z power it is 1 by n, that is defined by it is omega. Omega is called what? It is nth root of it is complex number z. Okay, next one, the nth root of it is unity. That means it is z power n that is equal to 1. that is called, it is n, the nth power is called n, it is degree of the polynomial, that is equal to, it is 1. Therefore, z power it is n, whole power it is 1 by it is n, that is equal to 1 power it is 1 by it is n. Just remove it is n, we want to raising the power equal to 1 by n, both n's are cancel, z equal to 1 power it is 1 by it is n. So, now first write it is 1 as in the polar form. First, before writing that, first we have to know what are the numbers in the polar form. First one, it is 1, that is equal to cos it is 0 plus it is I into sin it is 0, and this call it is polar form of complex number, because cos 0 equal to 1, sin 0 equal to 0, therefore 0 second term cancel, it is 1. Therefore, polar form of it is 1, polar form of 1, that is equal to cos 0 plus I into sin 0. So, supposed to be at I. Therefore, cos it is pi by it is 2 plus it is I into sin it is pi by it is 2. Cos 90 degree equal to 0 and sin 90 degree equal to 1. Therefore, 1 into I, that is equal to I. Therefore, polar form of it is I equal to cos 90 plus I into sin 90. Then minus 1 is equal to cos it is pi plus I into it is sin it is pi. Cos pi equal to minus 1, sin pi equal to 0. Therefore, it is 0 cancel minus 1. Therefore, it is polar form of it is minus 1 equal to cos pi plus I sin pi. Then minus it is I is equal to cos of it is minus it is pi by it is 2 plus it is I into sin it is minus it is pi by 2, the polar form of minus I. So, what is that? The polar form of it is 1 equal to cos 0 plus I into sin 0. I equal to polar form of I equal to cos 90 plus I into sin 90, minus it is 1, that polar form minus 1 equal to cos it is pi plus I into sin pi, minus I equal to cos it is minus 90 plus I into sin minus 90 is polar form of it is complex number. Therefore, now we want to replace it as polar form it is 1. What is it is polar form of it is 1? Cos 0 plus it is I into it is sin 0 whole power it is 1 by it is n. So, how to it is find out as it is nth root? First step 1 we convert this first term in the polar form, and second term, what is the second term? It is adding it is 2k it is pi, 2 it is argument. What is argument here? It is 0. So, therefore, it 0 with adding it is 2k pi, that is equal to cos it is 2k it is pi plus it is 0 plus it is I into sin 2k it is pi plus it is 0, then whole power it is 1 by n is remaining. And first step writing the given number in the polar form, the second step adding it is 2k pi to the argument. Now, just simplify, it is 2k pi plus 0 is called 2k pi only. Therefore, that is equal to cos of it is 2k it is pi plus it is I into sin of it is 2k it is pi and whole power it is 1 by it is n. Now, applying of it is du mu s series theorem to bring the power inside the bracket, that is equal to applying of it is this theorem. Applying of it is theorem, just to bring the power into the bracket. What is that? It is cos of it is 2k it is pi by it is n into plus it is I into sin of it is 2k it is pi by n, and n k takes value equal to 0, 1, 2 etc. up to it is n minus it is 1. That is called it is general form, and that is what it is z value. And supposed to be put as it is k value, put the k value supposed to be 0, and that implies it is, we can say it is first it is complex number, that is equal to put as 0 here, it is total term is 0, therefore it is cos 0 plus it is I into again k value equal to 0, it is sin it is 0, and that is equal to cos 0 equal to 1 plus I into sin 0 equal to 0, that is equal to 1. So, therefore, it is first complex number is equal to 1. Now, put k that is equal to 1, that is implies z2 refined by it is cos, put k equal it is 1, it is 2 pi, 2 into 1 is called 2. Therefore, it is 2 pi by n plus it is I into sin it is 2 it is pi by it is n, and that is called this, we can write as it is polar form. We know it is polar form of a complex number, z that is equal to r into it is cos theta plus I into it is sin it is theta is called polar form. We can simply write as r into cis it is called cos I sin, it is cis, or sin it is theta. You can write a polar form, short form equal to r into cis it is theta. Therefore here it is cis it is 2 it is pi by it is n. That is called cos plus I into sin pi is called cis it is argument it is called it is theta equal to 2 pi by it is n. Similarly we can put the k value equal to 2, that is implies it is z it is 3, it is equal to cos of it is 2 2s are 4 it is pi by it is n, plus I into sin it is 4 it is pi by it is n, that is equal to cis it is 4 it is pi by it is n, and keep it is continue up to it is n minus 1 is possible. Now comparing of here it is theta comparing it is theta from it is second term it is second third term, what is it difference between of two term it is equal to 4 pi by it is n minus 2 pi it is by it is n, and that is equal take it is n is commonly subtract that term it is called 2n. Therefore it is common it is the difference common difference between of it is argument of z, that is equal to 2 pi, that is equal to 2 pi. Therefore we have write as it is general form. The general form it is that is equal to it is cos it is 2 it is pi by it is n plus I into sin it is 2 pi by it is n, and this call it is general form of it is complex it is number, and depends upon it is value it is 2 pi. Therefore we can write it is equal to cis it is 2 it is pi by it is n is called 1 of it is the complex number it is omega. So every it is complex number, if you taking off it is one complex number it is called 1, another complex number is called omega, and angle between of it is these two term it is called it is 2 pi by it is again another number is called it angle between is called 2 pi by it is n. Keep going all the complex number, last one is called omega power it is n minus 1 and keep going it is the term, and therefore all the angles are equally divided, all the angles are equally divided, that angle is called it is 2 pi by it is n, it is called 2 pi by it is n, general form. Now first number is that is equal defined by it is 1, second number defined by it is cis it is 2 pi by it is n, third number that is equal to cos in cis it is 4 by pi by n. Therefore it is first number what is the value it is 1, and second number just simply we can say that is equal to omega, and third number is defined by it is omega square, and keep continuing of it is remaining it is roots. Therefore it is the roots of it is the unity, nth root of unity, roots of it is nth root of unity is what is it, 1 is called 1 root, omega is called second root, and omega square is called third root, omega power 3 is called fourth root, and etc., and last root is called it is omega power it is n minus 1. It is root of it is the root of this given it is nth root of it is unities. Now what are the properties for it is 1? Just it is adding of it is all it is roots of the equation. Therefore it is sum of the roots defined by 1 plus omega plus it is omega square plus omega power 3 plus it is etc. plus it is omega power it is n minus it is 1. Now see that it is this it is summation of the sequence and follows it is GP. How to say it is GP? And T1 that is equal to 1, it is T2 that is equal to omega, and T3 that is equal to omega square, keep going. It is common ratio defined by it is T2 by it is T1 that is equal to omega by it is 1 that is equal to omega. Similarly, third term by it is second term that is equal to omega square by it is omega that is equal to omega. Therefore it is common difference or it is same. Then we can say it is called it is the sum of the roots are follows it is a GP. Now find it is summation. Now the ratios defined by it is what, omega. Now applying of it is sum of the term that is equal to a into r power n minus 1 by it is r minus 1. So a is called what? It is first term that is equal to a that is equal to 1, it is common, it is ratio defined by it is omega. Therefore 1 it is called a, and r value equal to omega power it is n minus 1 by it is omega minus it is 1, that is equal to omega power it is n minus 1 by it is omega minus it is 1. So here it is omega power it is n that is equal to 1. It is nth root of it is unity, always omega power n that is equal to it is 1. Therefore it is omega power n that is equal to it is 1 minus 1 by it is omega power minus 1. Therefore 1 minus 1 equal to 0 by it is omega power minus 1, omega minus 1, therefore it is 0. Therefore it is sum of it is all the roots that is equal to 0, that is equal to 0. And similarly we have proved that it is a product also. The product of the root is equal to minus it is 1 whole power it is n minus it is 1. So today we discussed about it is the nth root of it is unity, and we have introduced about it is nth root of unity, and after that we continue the sum of the sums in the next video. Thank you one and all.